Hello again, sensational second graders. Welcome to our first English lesson in the mobile learning platform. Today we're going to go over subjects, and if you'll remember that a subject is the naming part of any sentence. Can you tell me, boys and girls, what is a sentence? That's right. A sentence is a group of words that is a complete thought. How many parts does each sentence have? Two parts. It has a subject part and a predicate part, and we've called the predicate part the action part until now, and the predicate part tells what the subject does. So let's go ahead and talk about the subjects today. Today we're going to learn that the subject is the main word or words in the subject part. Please get out your English packet to page 283. Page 283 is where we're going to start, and if you look at the square at the top of the page, you'll see that it reminds us a noun or a pronoun can be the subject. So looking at the sample problems, we have Carabelle loves teddy bears, and they have Carabelle in blue because she is the subject. She answers the question who or what the subject is about. Carabelle loves teddy bears. What is the action there? The action is loves. Who loves? Carabelle loves. So if we use the action to help us find the subject, it will be easier for us. Let's look at the second sample, and it's the brown bear wears a vest. So we need to ask ourselves, what's the action? The action is wears. So who or what wears? The bear. The bear wears. What does he wear? He wears a vest, but we'll talk about that later. Today, for the subject, the bear in that sentence is the subject, and we're going to look at the last sample. He wears a vest. Again, what is the action? The action is wears. Who wears? He wears. He is a pronoun. He takes the place of a person. So that one works for your subject. So go ahead and look at the first section on your paper where it says circle the verb. Draw a line between the subject part and the predicate part, and underline the subject. Boys and girls, we have 3 things to do in each sentence, so please be sure that you follow the directions. Let's take a look at number 1 together. Number 1 says, God gives us homes. So if we ask ourselves, boys and girls, what is the verb? God gives us homes. What is the verb in that sentence? The verb is gives. So everyone should circle the word gives because that's our verb. Now we have to draw a line between the subject part and the predicate part. What is the subject part of this sentence? Well, the subject part comes before the verb. So we're going to draw a line between God and gives. And then the last part of our direction says to underline the subject. Who or what is this sentence about? God. Good job, boys and girls. So we have God gives us homes. That's number 1. Can I have you look at number 2? A bird builds a nest. So asking yourself, what's the action there? Builds. The action is builds. So everybody circle the verb builds. And now we have to draw a line between the subject part and the predicate part. So if we know that builds is the action, we know that starts our predicate part. So who or what builds? The bird. So draw your line between bird and builds. And now, boys and girls, you have to underline the subject. Who or what builds? The bird builds. Underline that. And I would like you to try questions 3 and 4 on your own. Going to the next section on your paper, it says complete the sentence with the subject from the word bank. So we have 3 words. We have Dr. Lee, homes, and we. Number 5 says some blank are wooden. Some blank are wooden. What goes in the blank? That's right, homes. Some homes are wooden. So the subject of that sentence is homes. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to let you finish numbers 6 and 7. Let's look at number 8 together. And we have write a sentence using the word house as your subject. My sentence would be, my house is warm and cozy. If I say my house is warm and cozy, is a linking verb, so we have the subject house in that sentence. You'll write your own sentence on your time. Turning your paper over to page 284, we have to circle the verb, write a line between the subject part and the predicate part, and underline the subject. That's numbers 9 through 12. Then for numbers 13 through 15, you'll complete the sentence with the subject from the word bank. And finally, boys and girls, numbers 16 through 18 is review for helping verbs. The helping verbs has and have will change the past tense of any word so that it will change it to in these words, came, went, and saw. It will change came to has come or have come. It will change went to has gone or have gone, and it will change saw to has seen and have seen. Boys and girls, I want you to do your very best on this paper, and if you have any questions, you can send me an email, you can text me, or you can wait until I give you a call. Thanks so much. Have a great day.